I'm still disappointed. I'm still feeling sad. I'm still feeling nervous. I don't know why, but all because of the grades that I got the second sem. So, kailangan ko talagang gumawa ng prep para tanggap ko yun kasi hindi tayo pwedeng ma-stuck sa ganung sitwasyon na hahayaan na lang natin na lamunin tayo ng lungkot, ng disappointment kasi still ginawa pa rin natin yung best natin. So, I just wanna talk to myself. I wanna tell to myself na I did my best. I performed well. I gave the shit out of me. Like, give up ko yung ibang bagay para lang makapag-focus talaga ako dun sa studies, and yeah, those are still high, mataas pa din yung nakuha nating grades. Hindi na talaga nag-stuck sa comparison kasi I don't know, it's still hard for me to accept it kahit alam ko naman kailangan tanggapin natin at hindi naman siya ganun ka baba. So, I already told my best friend about that, and hindi lang naman ako nagkwento sa kanya. Sinabi ko lang na ganun yun ako. Okay, na hindi ko tanggap. Hindi ako proud. And also to my classmate kasi she was asking me if magsasali ba ako sa DL posting. So I told her na no, I don't want to. Kasi usually after the end of the semester is nagpo-post yung mga classmate ko, the president, those who are assigned na mag-post about DL posting, mga kasali sa dean's list. So kasali pa rin naman ako doon, with the fact that I just want peace. I already deactivate my social media and I don't want to see anything na makakapag-trigger nung nararamdaman ko doon about my grades. So I guess for my future children, I won't let them na ma-experience yung ganitong type. I don't know how, but I will work for it kasi it's really hard kapag yung society and ikaw pa yung magbubot ng pressure sa anak mo kapag ganyan, or hahayaan mo siya na ma-pressure. And we should also look for the best, for the good side, the positive side, kasi hindi natin alam kung ano yung hindi natin napapansin. Pag negative lang napapansin natin is maganda yung positive tayo mag-look, diba? So, ayun, try natin. So, try natin enumerate yung mga positive na nangyari sa atin ngayong past few months. So, what are those? Yung YouTube channel natin, diba? Nag-grow na siya kasi I was compiling the pictures, the screenshot of my YouTube channel, like what happened in this month, what happened during the month of this, what happened during the week of this, like parang every nagtutok ako ng screenshot para makita ko talaga yung improvements, slow improvements. So, I created this. Nakita ko lang yung first ever video ko is uploaded June 27, I guess, or basta nakita ko lang June 27 siya, 2024, and now it's June 3 or 4. I guess, 2025. And malapit na tayo mag-anniversary. And so, I'm so happy that nasa almost 10k views na tayo and 84 subscribers na tayo. And those are because of you guys. And thank you. And that's the positive side ng kaya natin tignan, di ba? Sa buong school year kasi, nagkaroon tayo ng mga friends. So, I'm sorry to say this, but hindi ko talaga consider na friends lahat. So, maybe I'm just gonna call them classmates, like that, kasi for me, trust is not that easily given. Hindi yan magaling ibigay. That's why it's better na alam mo kung sino yung tatuwagin mong friend, sino yung ituturing mong friend. Okay? And I'm happy na nagkaroon ako na, kasi when I got into college, I was really not that into socialization. I was anxious. I was like so afraid, so nervous. On my first day, like paano ako mag-iimek, paano ko mahanap yung room, like something like that. First day ko, I was like, hindi ako familiar doon, wala akong kakilala, wala akong kaibigan. But then, when I talagang ako pinabayaan ni God, may nakilala agad ako. So, I asked her, so, ano program to? And what happened is that talagang mabuti na lang is parehas kami ng section. So, ayun, naging ka-close ko siya. Until now, she's still one of my close friend, I guess. And what else? Actually, wala akong options. I just decided to enroll in this university, and I just have faith. And I was really hoping na makakapasok ako doon. Eventually, I was accepted. So, no tuition and no other miscellaneous expenses. So I was like, okay, go. Like, think about it like that. And then, I'm also undecided with which, there are three choices kasi. So, ano yung pipiliin mong program. So, may 3 choices ka. So, kung ano yung papasukan mo doon, so doon ka. So, first choice ko na, I really don't have any choices. I'm really that undecided person. Like, I don't know. I have no plans. So, okay. Dito na lang tayo kasi total I am an ABM graduate. Accountancy Business Management graduate. So, okay, dahil ito lang yung pwede natin piliin under ABM. So, dito na lang tayo sa first choice natin, which is tourism management. So, okay. So, piliin natin yan. I don't know the other 2 choices, I guess, na pinili ko is financial management and marketing something. I don't know, something like that. And okay na tayo na pumasok sa tourism management. So, I'm clueless about it. And I don't know, ano ba kung nasa tamang landas ba ako. And I was like, right now, kung tatanungin mo ako if I made the right decision of choosing tourism management as a program of mine, well, I guess yes, kasi kung titignan natin yung dinala niya sa akin, like, yung naging effect niya towards me, like, yung improvements, grabe talaga. Before, I'm not really that, type of person that can communicate well, that confident girl, na akala nyo, ganon. Hindi, talagang, I was that introvert one. But, nung mga past few months, nitong first and second sem ng first year ko, ang dami talaga yung improvement. I was like, so happy na nakikilala ako. Hindi dahil nagpapapansin ako. Iba kasi yan, pag yung sa school, nakikilala ka kasi, I'm sorry, no offense, but this is just my opinion. Iba yung nakikilala ka ng prof. Wait lang. Okay. So for me, magkaiba yung nakilala ka ng prof kasi nagpapapansin in a way na you're really craving for his or her attention para sa sarili mo, like that. Iba yun, compare dun sa nakilala ka ng prof mo kasi nag-stand out sa class. So that's different for me. And I was really happy na ganun yung nangyayari sa akin. At maganda din yung ganun talaga. Kasi may magmamarka sa kanya, and yun yung magiging reason ba't kanya makikilala. Okay, diba? And I made a lot of realization. Kasi college is not really that easy. But still, if you are in the right circle, everything will be easy daw, sabi nila. So, I don't know about that yet kasi I still don't know if I'm in the right circle na. And we can say naman that, diba? Maybe up until we're 4th year na. But yeah. And I'm still missing those people of mine na nakakasama ko way back when I was high school. And yes, I'm really happy na this vlogging kineme of mine, it's like bringing the best of me. Kasi, I'm really not like this na may wisdom. Para lang ako kasing timang magsasalita dati. I don't know now, but kasi wala akong words na ganito. Hindi ako ganito dati. Pero ngayon parang everything that's in my thoughts, kaya ko siyang ilabas. Kaya ko siyang ilabas from my mouth. Not that full, not fully, but still, I'm so happy that I can share these thoughts with you guys and you guys understand me, and thank you. And yeah, I guess that's it. So, thank you.